Meaning of elastomer.
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 Elastomer. An elastomer is a type of polymer that exhibits elastic behavior, meaning it can stretch and return to its original shape when subjected to external forces such as pressure or tension. Elastomers are commonly used in applications where flexibility and resilience are important, such as in the production of rubber products like tires, gaskets, and seals. They are known for their ability to compress and provide cushioning, making them ideal for use in shock-absorbing materials. Elastomers can be synthesized from a variety of raw materials and can be engineered to exhibit specific properties for different applications.